Hey, yeah, we got some cool music. Got the American flags waving here. And we got another car here on Willis Talk. Wild Racer. Boom. Now, we'll look at the engine last on this one because it's got a different kind of... Check this out. Nice work. And it's got suicide doors. I never did quite figure out why they call them suicide doors other than one opens up to the back, one opens up to the front. I guess you could get suicide by sandwiched in the middle. The heck of a thing, getting your hand slammed in there. I do. I have a few flat fingers because of doors slamming. Teaches you real quick. And they're part of the Road Lords of Salem, Oregon. This is a beautiful Chevrolet. If you know anything more about it, remember, like, subscribe, insert the information down below, and here is the engine. Now check this out. Oh my gosh, this has got to be something right there. Wow. I don't know if these are replica plates or if they were actually able to restore the originals. Oh, I just got told they're the real things. Beautiful job restoring these. I don't see plates like that on many. And here is the engine. Don't that just make you want to grab your sweetie and go out for a nice drive? Or maybe a little something something. Till next time on Willis Talk. This is Willis signing off. Keep those engines roaring.